Right behind the cab is this switch and solenoid that sends power to the tub grinder from the truck. Support brace here that looks like it's been re-welded at one time. It doesn't really serve much purpose, it's just a guard. There's no weight on it. There are 3 screens. Looks like 1.5 inches, 2.5, and 3.5 inch holes. See, the belt looks almost new. Not exactly sure how you run this little computer or governor thing, but it works. There's quick disconnect hoses that would either go to a tractor, or right now they're going to the hydraulic supply from the truck. There's a diesel fuel hose and nozzle that comes off of this 1,500 gallon fuel tank. This is the tool that changes the screens. At idle. I don't want to stick my face in here with it going much faster than this. It has these 2 tractor jacks welded on the side, one on either side. I've never used them before. The thing is pretty stable without them. Truck has almost a new set of Goodyear radial tires, 285/75/24s. There's no wear in and around the auger feed to the conveyor. I don't know if this camera will show it, but it just shows almost no wear at all. Anyway, with